So hi, I'm making this video to show you how to edit this video. Like uh, you can see that this is the first video that we have for Bus Pilot, video number 149. Then we have 150. These two are already edited. Now I'm going to edit this, which is Bus Pilot 151. So as you can see here, I have already generated caption in Premiere Pro version 2023, corrected the words as well. Maybe I will find some more words to correct them, and then captions are already created, and this is the main video. Jump cuts are also done. The gaps have been removed. Step 1 is to remove the gap. Step 2 is to generate the caption by going to text, transcribe, and then creating a caption with this font. Also removing the full stop and any comma that you will have. How to remove that? You have to just generate your caption, click on, like, go to this option and look for like full stop and then replace, and then if there will be any full stop, then what will happen, you will have these options available, right? You can just replace all, then all the captions, full stop and comma will be removed. That's how it's done. Now let's go ahead.
You can want perfect ads, but if no one answers the phone, it's wasted.
This is the first thing, right? Let's go to the previous one and see how we have done it.
They inquire at 9 p.m. You see it at 7.
So the position of this clip, this is the clip that we have. Let's go and copy the position. This is the position, and we'll paste it here.
You can want perfect.
Now let's go and copy the effects that we have applied. Ultra key, crop, and Gaussian blur.
You can want perfect ads.
Now let's go and copy the background, which is this gray background. Copying this, going to this one, and let's add a new layer, but we have to drag it up, and here in this v1 let's paste it. So this is how it looks, right? The gray background. If you want, you can also adjust this thing, this particular smoke that you have, by going to ultra key and then making adjustment in this matte cleanup. Okay, now if I just remove it, then you can see there are some changes coming in, but for now if we enable our background, it's okay. Let's keep the background to the end. Let's go to next step, which is to have some movement. Like, this is the movement coming in, right?
They inquired.
So it's this one. Just copy this and then paste it.
You can want You can want.
Okay, so this is how it goes, but still we can see some issues here, which is there is a kind of black shadow. So how to remove that? Let's see. You can just go ahead and go inside of our ultra key and try to make some changes, like for example contrast. Okay, you can see that this is getting removed. Okay, so that's how it is done. Now we have this, let's fit it to 100%, and then let's bring in our captions. This caption is coming up here, right? So how to make it till here? So you can see these lines that I have created. You can just go to this one, which is like, click here and then go view, and then you can add guide. Once you add that, you will have these lines. Now this line is here, so I'll just go and bring my text to this line only. So this text I'll select and then go to effects, essential graphics, and bring it down to this.
You can want perfect ads, but if no one answers the phone, it's wasted.
Okay, so
Perfect ads.
let's try to make a zoom in here. I'm creating a keyframe, going ahead and creating a keyframe of 170 like this, and easy is it, and make the graph to look like this.
Perfect ads, but if no one answers the phone, it's wasted.
Okay, fine. Now let's work on the title. So we have to add title as well, and we also have one thing which is this white, a kind of shadow that we have at the bottom. It's this one. You can see this is the one. Since it is black, let's like color it like violet. It's already violet. Okay, this is the one. You have to just remember that whatever you are seeing as the black here, it's this one. This is the clip, and then this is the background, and this is the first zoom out
You can
uh, animation. After this, let's go ahead and copy this title, right? So there are two types. One is a single line, and there is one more which is in previous folder, previous project, which is a double line. Okay, but if you know how to do the setting, you will understand how to do it. Let's go ahead and copy this one, then copying this and then placing it here. And now what I will do is I'm going to change the settings here. There are two lines actually. If I enable this one, we'll get it, and it's all under effects control, essential graphics. Okay, so what to do next is I have to find out the title of this particular video. The title of this particular video can be found here. This is the script that we have. You can run perfect as but no one this one. Okay, your phone is part of your marketing system, so we'll have to copy this. Phone is a part of your, and paste it here. Then marketing system, enable this, and this shape is smaller, so we can just widen it. Let's go and see if we have that option to make it wider. This is the one. Okay,
you can run perfect ads, but if no one answer the
but you can see that this one is not in position, so let's see. This one is on a little up, so we'll just make it a little up. I'm going here and then going to effects control and making it a little up. After this, we have the logo thing, so logo can place it on top. Now let's make the next one, which is
you can run perfect ad.
you can run perfect ads, right? So this one is the thing. Let's see, this is the one that I want to add here. So what's inside this? We can, when you go inside it, you will get two options. First is a image, and then second is a background. I'll copy this and then go out to our video and paste it somewhere here. Let's make it a little up again, this one. So this is a simple image for now, simple image and a background. Because we need to animate it as well, I will nest it after some time. Let's see how to do this.
You can run perfect ads, but
Okay, you can run perfect ads. So it's talking about ads. So let's go to ChatGPT and look for a image. Okay, we can just ask the ChatGPT to create an image. Something like this. Okay, what will happen is it will create an image where ads are being shown in social media, and then
if no one answer the phone, it's wasted.
so it's telling no one answers the phone. So again, I will just keep it here, So if no one answers the call, it means that we will need to add call. So again, I'm mentioning that this one is a background. Okay, you can say this is the background, this is the image, this is the image that we need to change, right? You can also see chat gpt image, right? That will be generated here in chat gpt. Similarly, we have this again, a graphic is the background. Okay, and then this is the chat gpt image. If I just remove this and show you graphic, this is the graphic. Now you need to have little understanding of the software if you want to do this project, because that's mandatory, right? And if you don't know, then you can watch some other tutorials as well to understand how these things works. So I'm just saving the ChatGPT image. Once it is saved, I will have to show one more image, which is
But if no one answers the phone,
no one answers the phone. So this is another one where we creating an image where no one is answering the phone, right? It will create it in a while. Till then, let's change our image here. So this is the one that I want to change, right? And I have already downloaded it here. So what I can do, I can just simply bring it and keep it in source. And then here I have to just press Alt in my keyboard, Alt, and then drag it like this. So what will happen is it will change. Okay. Previously it was like this, now it is like this. So this is how it is done. I'll show you again in my next one.
you can run perfect ads.
So you can run perfect ads, right? You can just nest it now because our image is replaced. But if we see that our image is like not looking good, we can also adjust the size. We can just adjust the size. Maybe let's make it 50. And the crop, there are two things applied, which is this one, rough and edge. This is the making it rough, a kind of circle around there. And then crop is to reduce the size of the image. So we will just work around with the crop. So on top it's not coming well, so I'll just make it a little up, and then from down I will again reduce down the crop. Okay, okay, so fine, this is going good now. Now this is done, right? Let's see next one. No one is, no, not this. Okay, fine. This is the one that I will change, right?
The phone, it's wasted.
After this, let me show you how to animate this. You can just nest it, or the one that we did, right? This is the one. Okay, we will just nest it, and after nesting, you can either do it manually or copy the keyframes that I have already here. This is the one. This is for wiggle. Okay, you can see that this is moving around. That is the wiggle, and I can copy transform as well. Transform is to make it from down to up, hold there, and then again going down. Transform. Now let's see.
You can run perfect ads, but if no one
Okay, got it. So this is how it goes.
run perfect ads, but if no one
And then again, now we will have to do the same with this. But before that, we need to replace the image. This is the one. We'll download it, save it. After saving, I will just go and take it to source. After going to source, just select the one that you want to replace and press ALT in your keyboard, and then bring it, drag it and bring it like this. It will change here. Okay, again making it, and you can use the keyframes that we have here. This is for wiggle. Okay, these things whatever you are seeing here is wiggle, and then we have transform effect.
But if no one answers the phone, it's wasted.
Okay, the second image will not go down, we'll keep it there only, it will just remain there.
It's wasted.
And here let's see the sound effect.
You can want perfect.
Okay, this is the whoosh sound that you heard just now. If you want, you can also press this solo track and then hear it. Okay, and then we have one more sound here, which is, there are three sounds that you see. One is main audio, then we have some sound effect, then background music. So sound effect, again I'm copying it and keeping it somewhere here. It's for whoosh sound, but it's too loud, so we'll make it a little less. Okay, we'll make changes here later. And then we have this, which is kind of riser sounds. Okay, you can just go here and paste it. So this is how it is it is going. Okay, this is how it will go ahead with the client tutorial that we have, and I will continue with this on the next video, where I'll show you how to add all these things. For example, how to do these things, right? And adding these images, how to generate them, and then how to place these, how to find the b-roll, what effects to apply, and then going ahead and how I actually plan my video, how I usually plan that what I will add where, right? This is how it will going, this is how it will go. And then this one as well, how to do this. Okay, these are the things that I will do now. So keep watching, and I'll see you on the next one. The link to see the next video will be shared in the description below, or I'll just ping you.